Do you know many people are having trouble with connecting their Pure Base 500DX case to an MSI Tomahawk B550 motherboard? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Prepare case. Remove the side panels and front dust filter from the case to provide easier access. Step 2. Install PSU. Secure the power supply into the PSU bracket and connect the main power cables to the motherboard. Step 3. Install motherboard. Place and secure the motherboard into the case and connect the front panel connectors. Step 4. Connect front I/O. Attach the front USB HD audio and USB Type-C connectors, if available, to their corresponding headers on the motherboard. Step 5. Connect fans. Connect the pre-installed case fans to the motherboard's fan headers, using a fan splitter if necessary. Step 6. Manage cables. Manage and secure all cables behind the motherboard tray to maintain clean interior and optimal airflow. Follow these steps to ensure your Pure Base 500DX is correctly connected to your MSI Tomahawk B550 motherboard. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There, you will also find questions and answers from other BEQUIET users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.